Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Your examinations for political science is being taken on 6th of December 2020. The only mantra left is that you have to work hard, you have to memorize the notes to crack these examinations of all those papers which are left. Dear students, the COVID 19 pandemic made your schools shut, closed your schools, and you remained connected to your teachers virtually, not physically. Face to face interaction is must, and this virtual platform or digital platform can't be substituted for the actual mode of teaching. But to some extent, this is helping you, this is facilitating you to watch these videos, and something is better than nothing. Dear students, in these days, you have to put extra efforts. This is the only mantra. Dear students, today we are dealing with ASEAN and it is Mission 2020, that is Mission 2020. Dear students, first of all, you need to know what is ASEAN. It is simply Association of Southeast Asian Nations, and this association was founded on 8th of August 1967 in Bangkok by its original members or original countries, that is the Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, Singapore, and Thailand. Every regional corporation has the aims. The foremost aim of every regional corporation is to bring peace and prosperity in the region and also go for the economic and political stability of that very region. Dear students, now we are talking what is the Mission 2020 of the ASEAN. Dear students, the first mission is an outward looking in the world appears to end the conflicts where these conflicts are arising or have arisen. Dear students, remember in the world the conflicts automatically arise on one issue or on the other issue, and to end these or to eradicate these crises peacefully, this regional corporation has an outward looking. Dear students, the second mission of 2020 of ASEAN is that it wants to work on the policies that would eradicate the conflicts in the region, that would minimize or end or eradicate the conflicts in the region. And thirdly, it wants to mediate the Cambodian crisis and to end the Timor crisis there. And lastly, it wants to meet annually to discuss all the problems that are related to economic, political, and social development of ASEAN and also to eradicate those conflicts that are hitting the ASEAN region. Dear students, I am repeating the things for you because as a teacher, I need to repeat, and repetition always a human brain needs. Dear students, ASEAN, that is the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, was founded on 8th of August 1967 in Bangkok by its five original members and by five countries, that is the Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, and Thailand. Dear students, every regional corporation came into existence or come are coming into existence in order to go for the peace and prosperity in that very region and also boost the economic and political stability in that very region, and the most important thing is to eradicate the conflicts there. Dear students, this ASEAN has mission 2020, that means mission 2020. The its first mission is that it wants to this organization wants to indulge in the world affairs with an outward looking to minimize the conflicts in the world. Dear students, there are the crises in Cambodia and Timor, and this regional corporation wants to eradicate the Cambodian conflicts and also to end the Timor crisis. Dear students, this wants also to bring peace and prosperity in the region by meditating all those things or all those conflicts that has arisen in the region. And lastly, it wants to meet annually to discuss the problems that are related to ASEAN growth, ASEAN economic stability, and ASEAN peace and prosperity. Dear students, this is the mission 2020 of the ASEAN. Dear students, you have to simply keep in the mind that every regional organization, whether it is a SOC, it is European Union, or it is ASEAN, when these regional corporations come into existence or have came into existence, it is to promote peace and prosperity in the region, to go for the economic development of the region, to eradicate all the forms of imperialism in the region if somewhere is seen. Dear students, this is all about the mission 2020 of the ASEAN and a brief introduction of the ASEAN and its founding members. Now its membership has risen to nine, and you remember it is the regional corporation of Southeast Asian nations that was founded on 8th of August 1947 to, to eradicate all the forms of colonialism there, to go for the economic and political development, economic, political, and social development of the region. It was founded by its five original members, that is the Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, Thailand, and Singapore. Hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you post your query, by any means, by WhatsApping or by calling, and within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared if you are forwarding it to me. Dear students, the only mantra left is that you have to remain busy with the books, you have to memorize the notes, you have to put extra efforts, you have to do extra hard work to crack the examinations with nice percentage of marks. This is the way by which you can take your board to the bank. Thanks. Be well said.